Today we're gonna do Would You Rather, but it's food edition. Time to go on the next one. Would you want to do macaroni and cheese or some chicken? That's great. Would you want to do some fries or chicken nuggets? I know what most of you would think. Would you want some pizzas or burgers? They're popular ones. They're popular food, I mean. After I did the words. Would you rather apples or bananas? Which one would you want? That's great, guys. Would you want popsicles or ice cream? Just tell me in the comments. Would you want Oreo or Oreo cake? Cake would taste good. Would you want cheese balls or cheese? I would say cheese balls. They taste good. Would you want Skittles or M&Ms? Ooh, M&Ms are chocolate, but some of these are sour. Sour. Would you want chocolate ice cream or chocolate cake? Making you hungry. Oh, this one would not. I bet this one. But would you want pineapple juice or Coca-Cola? Now, this one. Would you want pumpkin pie or apple pie? That's great, guys. Would you want oranges or kiwis? Tell me in the comments below. Would you rather Fanta or Sprite, guys? Would you want Mountain Dew or Dr. Pepper? That's nice. Would you want marshmallows or cotton candy? Oh, they just taste too good. Would you want biscuits or marshmallow coffee? Would you rather chocolate or spaghetti? Would you rather cereal or milk? Or chocolate milk, I mean. They taste so good, guys. Or you could put both of them together. Would you want nachos or sun chips? Would you rather Takis on broccoli? Would you rather Takis or broccolis? It sounds like Takis on broccolis. Bye, everyone. See you on the next video.